Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you are going to be getting a speed clean with me with realistic messes, decluttering, organizing, and the everyday realistic repetitive cleaning. So I hope this video gives you that motivation to get up and get something done. We are starting off today in my kitchen. I got these really cute organizers off of Amazon. I love that they're bamboo and they are just so fitting for our kitchen. I am going to start by vacuuming out the drawers, wiping them down, and then I will start organizing everything here. I also got a knife organizer that I know you guys are going to love, so stick around for that and let's get started.
Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high?
Here is the knife organizer set, you guys. I found this off Amazon and it's so good. They have so many different options. I do recommend measuring out your drawer before purchasing just to make sure that it fits okay. I am so excited about this purchase because for the longest time, I've always kept all of our sharps up in the cabinet. I've never left them on the countertop in one of those like knife holders. I'm always just very cautious about my kids because they are toddlers, they are very curious, and I am taking no risks of them grabbing something and hurting themselves.
Monday came and swept away all the fun of yesterdays, but I'm gonna hold it together. This ain't forever. Need a shot and then a beat, somewhere to let off some steam. I'm not the one to say never, never say never. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet
I installed the magnetic lock that I have throughout my kitchen on this drawer and it worked perfectly. I'm so excited about this. So if you're on the fence about your sharp containers or your knives and things, check out this knife holder. It fit my knives perfectly and they have so many different options. So definitely check it out if you're interested in putting your sharps in a drawer. I definitely recommend it. Moving on, I'm gonna get started with doing a clean around my kitchen. This is the before. We had breakfast, a really busy morning before school, and just the kids enjoying their meal. And just, I needed to clean it up. So we're gonna do that here. We're gonna put things away. We're gonna put things where they go and throw things in the dishwasher, wash some dishes, unload the dishwasher, and do what I can get done before school pickup and just kind of do my daily cleaning routine. This is such a repetitive task for me. I feel like I spend the majority of my time in here and my laundry room, but I know I'm not alone. Where do you spend your most time when you're at home cleaning? Like, do you do mostly it in your kitchen? Mine's mainly my kitchen and my laundry room. I try to pick up my bedroom before I do any daily tasks throughout the day, but for the most part, I feel like I'm constantly in and out of the kitchen and the laundry room.
You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you were in Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never ever ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
Wanted to show you this super amazing Dish Daddy sponge. So this goes on like their longer wand Scrub Daddy sponge holder, but I have been liking to use it just by itself without the actual adapter. I use that upstairs when I'm doing like the showers and stuff, but I also keep an extra one down here. But when you buy it, it comes in a pack of 2, and I just find it like it fits my hand a lot better than the bigger Scrub Daddy. And so lately I've just been using this cute little Scrub Daddy sponge, and I just absolutely love it.
Now it's my time, ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
Moving on to the stove, I definitely need to give it some love, so I'm going to be washing the burner tops, but I actually seen a cleaning video the other day where they put these in the dishwasher. I have never done that. I'm really scared too because of the grease and stuff. I don't know. Do you do that? And is that okay to do? I'm going to ask you guys first before I Google it, but let me know if you guys do that or if that's something that you do. I always just hand wash these. I didn't know you could put them in the dishwasher, so that's pretty cool. Guess you learn something new every day.
I won't remember who you are.
If you are new here, I keep these covers on my stove because I have toddlers who love to flip these things, and you guys, it is so terrifying chasing after your stove when they hit one of these things. So these covers have been a lifesaver. I highly recommend them. I do need to replace one of them. I've been meaning to do that. I keep forgetting. I need to like remind my Alexa or something, but I love having them. They are a pain in the butt to clean. I really don't like doing it, but I love it when it is clean. So I'm just going to be taking that off, wiping everything down with Dawn dish soap, rinsing it with microfiber cloth, and just giving my stove that love it desperately needed.
But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end. Don't jump into that car tonight. I'm not leaving without a fight. Now you're always on my mind. You're on my mind. Turn around, hold me tight. Turn around and we will be alright. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end.
And because we are almost in February, I have busted out my cute red microfiber cloths that I found from TJ Maxx. All the stores are filled with Valentine's Day stuff, you guys. Target, TJ Maxx, Dollar Tree.
Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end. You're gone now. Will you come back?
This is gonna go upstairs in my laundry room to start adding vinegar in my washes, and I'm so excited to try it. I'll let you know how it goes, but let me know if you put vinegar in your washer when you wash your loads of laundry. I can't believe I've never heard of this, and so many people have been doing it for so long.
I hope it means that you'll come home to me once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. inside the noise.
I always love to sweep all the big things, and then I like to go over with my vacuum.
All the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
Show you guys these super amazing salt and pepper holders I got for my kitchen. It was in the Magnolia section of Target. They were $5.99, which is a really good deal. So if you're looking for something cute, check out Target. I love that place. But we're gonna move up and we're gonna get you some laundry motivation and some decluttering and organizing motivation.
If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know.
I noticed my drawer for my shirts was starting to get just a little congested, so I wanted to go through it, declutter some things I no longer need or just that are worn or tore or stained or just, not wearable anymore, and some things that I was unsure of I'm going to hang backwards in my closet. They say if you hang it backwards and if you don't touch it in 30 days, it's a great option to just donate it because you obviously aren't wearing it. So I'm going to try that method, and I also am trying new folding techniques to try to give my space a little bit more room and see my clothing better.
Like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know. looking pale and cold. Can't seem to pick up my phone. It's been ringing all day long. Behind these clouds, I know the sun will be, but today's raining, so be patient with me. I'll be right. Somehow I must be somewhere the sky is blue. I'm too tired to sleep, too tired to do anything else than doing nothing. I'm too tired to rest, too tired, I'm blue. Can't do nothing else than do.
Throwing in another load of laundry, we're gonna go in and switch out the bedding. I'm gonna be spraying another new type of stain remover spray on the headboard. The baking soda did not work for this, neither did vinegar or the Clorox or laundry detergent. I feel like I've tried everything, you guys. The only thing I haven't tried is my Bissell crosswave thing that you just like, you know, wash things with. That's my next option because it's still not going away even after this cleaner that I tried. It's the Bissell spray cleaner and it worked pretty well, but not all the way. So it's either I'm going to try the Bissell crosswave thing that I have downstairs in the closet. After that, if it doesn't come out, I'm going to get a headboard slip cover because it just looks so unflattering. I'm so sorry. It's so embarrassing. But yeah, I really want to put more love into like my bedding and my bed frame and just my bed in general. I love, you know, my bed. It's where we get our rest. So yeah, if you guys have any other recommendations, let me know. I tried a lot of the recommendations you guys left on the video that I talked about this. I tried them all. So I really hope it comes out. But we'll see in the next video. This lifted it a little bit, but not all the way. So if you have anything similar to this, let me know. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope it gave you the motivation to get up and clean. I will see you guys soon in a new video. Bye.